What a beautiful day to put down the blinds and sit at my computer until I go to sleep. Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Dan and I still call myself a Photoshop artist. Last time I turned myself into Satoru Gojo from Jujutsu Kaisen, and this time I went to fuse myself with Chisaki Kai, better known as Overhaul from My Hero Academia. I have 2 weeks off from work from today on, and I hope I can upload 1 or 2 more videos like this one, so look out for those. That means you should subscribe. If you want to, you should. Also, all of my artwork is uploaded to my Instagram account, so if you want to follow me there, it's Stoden, the link is in the description. The Gojo edit wasn't too much work and I want this one to be my best edit yet, so I'm gonna put way more effort into it. And talking about effort, let's go take a picture and go the easy route by using my old Overhaul cosplay. Since there wasn't a convention in ages, I had to go to the deepest end of my closet to find what I was looking for. First, I put on a tie because I realized too late that Overhaul's second form doesn't have one. Then I had to get rid of the black pelt on the jacket because back when I cosplayed him, he was only in the manga and I wasn't sure about the colors. I put the jacket on and threw on the purple pelt. Mom, please come pick me up. Same thing with the wig, I didn't know his hair are brown, so I got a black one. I am uncomfortable. Next I put on the mask and we were all set to take a picture. I also put on the gloves but realized you can't see my hands in the edit. Let's go! This is the picture I went with. Why do I look so stressed? And I also took some pictures of the pelt and the jacket alone to use in the edit. And now we can start distracting ourselves from intrusive thoughts. So in the last video, I pretty much commented on everything I was doing, but turns out this would be very hard for this video because it took way longer to edit and it's literally playing at 10,000% speed. So if you want to look at it in more detail, slow down the video, mute it and put on some music. Optionally, if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. Though I will still comment on some parts throughout the speed art. Here, for example, you can see me working on the beak/mask, which I honestly messed up. It's not too bad, but I'm definitely not satisfied how it turned out in the end. I started working to make the pelt bigger and the hair spikier. I just used parts of both, duplicated it a couple times and stitched it back together as you can see here. Next I adjusted and changed some colors, made the eyes yellow and began working on the grown-in part of the mask. Some more minor adjustments and the next thing was the most fun part of this edit, the arms. I used a 3D model from Envato Elements to get different angles and put the 4 arms in place. The hands only had 4 fingers, so I had to edit a 5th one in. Here I started editing the jacket. I used one of the pictures I took to extend it and then picked a brush that makes it look like the jacket is all ripped up. That was the end of day 1. At this point I was editing for around 3 hours and it was like 3 AM. So I went to bed to wake up at around noon the next day looking like this. A ray of sunshine. Here's a cinematic shot of me opening up some gamer juice, and now we tricked ourselves into thinking we have the energy to go on with the edit. The base edit was pretty much done. Now instead of looking for a background with a good light source, I just used Deku for that. So I built a nice background and just threw a blurred out Izuku in the corner. And now to the most tedious part, painting the highlights. I still enjoy doing that, but it definitely takes the longest out of any step in this edit. With the lighting finished, I did my usual final steps like adding some noise, a gradient overlay, playing around with the blur, etc. Then did some minor adjustments and we're done. And this is what the final picture looks like. I don't know if I would call it my best edit yet because I messed up quite a few things like the mask for example, but it still turned out pretty alright. Don't you just love recording an outro for your video and then you realize you didn't put on the mic? Amazing. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, honestly, I really hate those classic YouTuber outros. If you enjoyed the video, like it. Why wouldn't you? And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, right? It's just like... You can also leave a comment down below which character I should do next. It's not guaranteed that I will do it, but you can comment and I'm gonna take a look at it and see if I want to do it. I have given up. You can also follow my Instagram, the link's down below in the description. I post all my art there. And yeah, I see you in the next episode, which will hopefully air next week. Goodbye, see you soon.